Hello student, I am Dongre SG from HGM College, Karad. I teach you subject biology. First of all of you, a hearty welcome to become a part of our HGM institution. As you know, you have studied subject science in previous classes. That classes you have studied in a subject of science, some part of physics, some part of chemistry and some part of biology. But now, from standard 11 to onwards, we study here these parts in a separate manner. Means, in this standard, that is 11th and 12th standard, science is divided into 3 branches. First one is physics, second chemistry and biology. So, our subject is biology. So, we discuss here are related to the biology. So, firstly, we need to understand here what is mean by biology. आणि biology ही जी टर्म आहे, ही टर्म कधी सुरू झाली आणि कोणी याला इन्व्हेंट केलं आणि कशामुळे याचं इन्व्हेन्शन झालं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी हियर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बायोलॉजी. सो the word is biology. Biology, the term biology is originated from 2 Greek words. First one is bios, means life. Bios means life or living organ. Bios means life or living organism, and another word is logy, means in Greek word logy means logos. So logos means study. Logos means study. So the meaning of biology is study of life, or which we can say here, or study of living organism. In other words, the definition of biology is scientifically we written here. So biology is the branch of science, which deals with the study of living organism or life, we can say life. तर बायोलॉजी जी टर्म आहे, ही टर्म सर्वात अगोदर जर कोणी शोधून काढली असेल किंवा याच्याबद्दल जी इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे, इन्व्हेन्शन आहे, जे सर्वात अगोदर शोधून काढलं असेल ते सायंटिस्ट आहेत एरिस्टॉटल. This is the first person who was study the different type of animals which is present in our living world. So that's why he called father of biology. Father of biology. तर एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये मॅक्झिमम तर आपल्या सराउंडिंग मध्ये अरिस्टॉटल यांनी अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 500 एनिमल्स ला कलेक्ट केलं, एनिमल्स ची स्टडी केली, त्यांच्यामधील जे कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत, त्यांचा जो नेचर आहे, त्यांचा जो हॅबिटेशन आहे, त्यांचा जो अडॅप्टेशन आहे, त्याबद्दल त्यांनी स्टडी केली आणि ते जे काही कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत ते कॅरेक्टर्स त्यांनी एका बुक मध्ये लिहिलं अँड ही गेव द नेम. दॅट बुक इज हिस्टोरिया एनिमेलिया. ही रोट द बुक Historia Animalia. After few years, Lamarck, also another scientist, that scientist first invent or first whole study, he gave the name, that whole study is biology. So the Lamarck was the first person who gave the name of all the study of Aristotle. He gave the name of biology. त्यांनी अरिस्टॉटलच्या संपूर्ण इन्व्हेन्शनला, स्टडीला नाव दिलंय बायोलॉजी. दॅट्स वाय लॅमार्क इज कॉल्ड ॲज फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न बायोलॉजी. So this is all about description of biology. First used term biology is the Lamarck and Treviranus, both the scientists who had firstly used the term biology in 1802. So here is we discuss more about biology and its sub branches. So biology is divided into 3 sub branches. First branch is botany. Another sub branch is zoology, and third sub branch is microbiology. So let's see one by one here. So first sub branch is botany. The term botany in Greek word botany. Greek word is botany and botany means plants. So in this branch, study of plants. In this branch we study about the plants. So manually we written here the definition of botany. So botany is the branch of biology which deals study of all different type of plants. It is known as botany. The term botany is firstly invented. The name of scientist is Theophrastus. Theophrastus. And Theophrastus is also called as father of botany. Theophrastus is the student of Aristotle. तर अरिस्टॉटल सारखंच थिओफ्रास्टसनी आपल्या लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड मधील अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 500 प्लांट्स कलेक्ट केलं आणि त्या प्रत्येक प्लांटची स्टडी केली डिटेलमध्ये आणि त्यामधील असणारे जे कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत त्याचे जे नेचर आहे प्लांट्सचं आणि त्याचं हॅबिटेशन अडॉप्टेशन काय याबद्दल त्यांनी माहिती जी आहे ती एका बुक मध्ये लिहिलं. अँड आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन ही रोट अ बुक अँड नेम इज हिस्टोरिया प्लांटारम. हिस्टोरिया प्लांटारम. This is about botany. Then come to the next sub-branch is zoology. Then again here two Greek words. First one is zoo means animal and logos means study. Logos means study. So the meaning of zoology is study of animals. Study of animals. In manually the definition of zoology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of different type of animals. The term zoology is also invented Aristotle. So Aristotle is called the father of zoology. Aristotle is also called as father of zoology. Father of zoology. Then come to the third sub-branch, that is microbiology. Again here there are three Greek words. First one is micro. Micro means very small. Micro. Another one is bios. Bios means life or living organism. And then logos means study. So what is the meaning of microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microorganism. Study of microorganism. It is the study of microorganisms. In manually written here the definition of the branch of biology, which deals with the study of microorganisms. For example of bacteria, amoeba, paramecium, fungi, etc. This is the example of microbiology which we study under this branch. So this is all about information of sub branches of biology. Then let's move to here standard 11. This is the all about syllabus of biology. Here is name of chapters and marks and with option marks. So the first one is, our first chapter is living world. Ask the question in 2 marks and with option ask the question in 3 marks. Then second chapter, systematic of living organisms. Ask the question in 3 marks and with option ask the question in 4 marks. Third chapter, kingdom planting. Here is again ask the question in 5 marks with option ask the question in 7 marks. Fourth chapter, kingdom animalia. Here is 4 marks and with option in 5 marks. Chapter number 5, cell structure and organization. Here again ask 4 marks question and with option 5 marks. Chapter 6, biomolecules. Here ask the question in 4 marks with option 5 marks. Cell division, ask the question 4 marks with option 6 marks. Chapter number 8, plant tissues and anatomy. Here is ask the question in 4 marks and with option questions asked in 6 marks. Then chapter number 9, morphology of flowering plants. Here is the very important chapters. To ask the question in 7 marks and with option ask the question in 10 marks. So this is the very important chapter. Then chapter number 10, animal tissues. Then again ask the question in 4 marks and with option 6 marks. Chapter number 11, study of animal type, cockroach. In this 4 marks and with option 6 marks. Chapter number 12, photosynthesis. Here is 5 marks question asked and with option in 7 marks. Chapter number 13, respiration and energy transfer. Here is 5 marks question asked and with option 7 marks. 14th number chapter, human nutrition. 5 marks asked question and with option 7 marks. Chapter number 15, excretion and osmoregulation. Here is 5 marks question asked and with option 7 marks. The last chapter is skeleton and movement. Here is 5 marks question asked with option in 7 marks. So there are total 70 marks question asked, but in with option 98 marks question asked in the examination. So these are the weighted structure of paper pattern.